So there is our results. I put it on, and sorry, I wish the lighting was better, but it's on there very well, and it's not touching the fan. It's clear enough from it, and what happened was is that I was tired, and I was just trying to finish the day, and I got distracted, and there's two bolts, but one of the bolts is different. For some reason, one of the bolts is different. Anyways, I turned them around and it broke the housing to the bolts. So, and I did put two pieces of aluminum on there for safety, and that is going to hold. Um, and I might not be able, have to be able, need to be in a situation where I need to take it off. Oh, yeah, I do eventually, but I want to replace the whole thing. And to take it off, you have to take these and the belt, and but it takes a special tool to get that off. I don't have that yet. I want to acquire other tools, but I got time for this. This will give me some time. So that's how you do a quick fix. And yeah, thanks very much.